Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Hershey Popcorn is probably one of the most intriguing snack mashups to hit the market, promising a delightful fusion of classic movie theater treat with the iconic sweet and creamy crunch of Hershey's cookies and Creme bar, creating an irresistible temptation for anyone looking to satisfy their sweet tooth with a unique and surprisingly addictive twist on traditional popcorn. Number 5. Hershey's KIT Reese's Assorted Milk Chocolate Bulk Bag. Indulge in a delightful assortment of your favorite milk chocolates. This bulk bag brings together iconic treats from Hershey's, KIT, and Reese's, offering something for everyone. With an impressive 80.32 ounces and 265 individual pieces, this collection ensures you'll have plenty to share. It's perfect for parties, events, or simply stocking up your pantry. Enjoy the classic taste of Hershey's, the crispy delight of KIT, and the irresistible peanut butter chocolate combination of Reese's. Each piece promises a moment of pure bliss. Whether you're filling a candy dish, preparing for trick-or-treaters, or creating party favors, this versatile bag has you covered. It makes every moment a little sweeter. Bring joy to friends, family, and colleagues with this incredible selection. They are individually wrapped, making them convenient for on-the-go enjoyment or sharing with loved ones. What we like? This offers a fantastic variety of popular chocolates. If you are hosting a large gathering or need to stock up for multiple occasions, this is your go-to. It's perfect for satisfying diverse tastes and ensuring everyone finds their favorite. What people say. Number 4. HEATH Chocolatey English Toffee Candy Bars. Experience the delightful crunch of classic English toffee. These bars offer a perfect blend of rich flavors that will satisfy your sweet tooth. Each bar is generously coated in smooth, decadent chocolate. It perfectly complements the buttery toffee inside, creating a harmonious taste. Enjoy the satisfying snap of the crunchy toffee center. Its unique texture makes every bite a memorable experience. These 1.4-ounce bars are individually wrapped for freshness and convenience. You get a generous 18-count box, perfect for sharing or stocking up. Whether you need a quick snack or a delightful dessert, they are an excellent choice. Share them with friends, family, or keep them all to yourself. What we like? Experience the classic crunch of English toffee with a rich chocolatey coating. If you appreciate a unique texture and a buttery, caramelized flavor, these bars are an excellent choice. They provide a sophisticated sweet treat for a moment of indulgence. What people say. The popcorn features a distinctive coating that perfectly blends the classic Hershey's cookies and cream flavor. It provides a satisfying crunch from the popcorn kernels combined with the smooth, sweet taste of the cream and cookie pieces. Number 3. Reese's Popcorn 5.25-ounce Bag. Get ready for a revolutionary snack experience. This delightful treat combines your favorite flavors in a whole new way. It's generously drizzled with the classic taste of Reese's peanut butter and rich chocolate. Every kernel is coated for maximum enjoyment. No preparation needed, it's ready right out of the bag. Perfect for movie nights, parties, or a quick indulgence. Experience the ultimate balance of sweet and salty. This snack offers a savory crunch with a decadent finish. Elevate your snacking game with this unique combination. It's the perfect treat for satisfying those sweet and savory cravings. What we like? This snack perfectly blends the iconic peanut butter and chocolate flavor with crispy popcorn. If you love the sweet and salty combination and are a fan of that distinct peanut butter taste, this is a must-try. It's an innovative twist on a classic candy, perfect for movie nights. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 2. Hershey's Kisses Cookies and Cream Share Pack. Experience a delightful treat with this share pack. It combines the classic Hershey's taste with a creamy cookies and cream twist, offering a unique flavor sensation. Each piece delivers a perfect blend of smooth white chocolate flavor and crunchy cookie bits. You'll love the satisfying texture in every bite. This generous 10-ounce pack is ideal for sharing with friends and family. It's great for parties, movie nights, or simply enjoying together. Whether you need a quick pick-me-up or a sweet ending to your day, these candies are always a good choice. They're individually wrapped for convenience. Discover the iconic shape and irresistible flavor that makes these so special. Unwrap a moment of pure joy with every delicious piece. Building on a beloved tradition, this variant offers a fresh take on a timeless favorite. Its distinctive taste is sure to become a new go-to. What we like. Enjoy the delightful combination of white cream and chocolate cookie bits in a bite-sized form. If you prefer a creamy, non-milk chocolate option with a satisfying crunch, these are ideal. Their convenient size makes them perfect for sharing or a quick personal treat. What people say. Number 1. Hershey's Cookies and Crème Popcorn. Indulge in the delightful taste of Hershey's Cookies and Crème. This popcorn brings you a classic flavor in a whole new way. Each piece of popcorn is generously drizzled in rich white cream. It's perfectly complemented by delicious cookie bits, creating an irresistible texture. No preparation needed, this snack is ready to enjoy straight from the bag. It's perfect for movie nights, parties, or a quick treat anytime. Experience the satisfying savory notes that make this popcorn so addictive. It's a truly unique snack that stands out from the rest. Enjoy the ultimate balance of sweet and salty flavors in every bite. This combination creates a truly harmonious and satisfying snacking experience. This generous 5.25 ounces grocery-sized bag ensures there's enough to share, or to keep all to yourself. It's perfect for stocking your pantry with a delicious treat. What we like. This brings the beloved cookies and cream flavor to a savory popcorn base. If you enjoy the unique taste of white chocolate and cookie pieces, and want a snack that balances sweet and salty, this is for you. It offers a delightful textural experience with every bite. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.